10 Painted Kitchen Cabinet Ideas. Is it possible to paint your kitchen cabinets without the added hassle of prior sanding and priming? For some homeowners, this cumbersome task is the sole obstacle that prevents them from charging ahead with the project at all. A cool, measured balance of classical elegance informs these painted kitchen cabinets. Williamsburg, Virginia-based decorator Jennifer Hudson at the design blog, Dear Leal Studio, inherited these painted kitchen cabinets from the previous owner. Jennifer believes that the color is Benjamin Moore lampblack. Lampblack was a charcoal-tinged color traditionally found in 18th and 19th century wallpapers. Kitchen cabinet on the outside, chalkboard on the inside. This surprising touch is simple to achieve when you buy easy-to-apply chalkboard paint and roll it on the inside of your cabinet doors. Create a grocery shopping list or simply say, "I love you," to any family member who happens to be the next person to open the door. Chalkboard paint is inexpensive and water-based, so it cleans up well. This kitchen is the creation of home improvement blogger Virginia Plunkett, whose hugely popular tutorial shows how to painlessly paint your cabinets. Gleaming chrome pulls, new subway tile, and a Kohler sink are the finishing touches to Diane Henkler's completely remodeled kitchen. And the centerpiece of that is her do-it-yourself painted kitchen cabinets. One word of advice from Diane: spring for high-quality paint. To that end, she chose Valspar Bonding Sealing Primer followed by paint from the Proclassic brand by Sherwin-Williams. For a high-visibility project like this, it is important to purchase higher-quality products that ensure long-lasting results. The star of this kitchen is not just the gorgeous creamy white color and smooth finish on the cabinets. The lack of investment in high-priced spraying equipment makes these painted cabinets doubly great. Home design blogger Laura at the Turquoise Home, intent on having a fabulous kitchen without buying what she calls fancy equipment, invested major labor and a lot of swearing, but says she would do it all again in a heartbeat. Because the choice of paint is important, she picked two winners: Ace Hardware's door, trim and cabinet paint, along with Benjamin Moore's advance paint. An upstate New York home built during the 1880s deserves special handling during a remodel. Abby Hendrickson, at the design blog Aesthetic Outburst, knew that she wanted a classic and sedate mood for her farmhouse kitchen. Simply to rid the existing cabinets of their dark, depressing brown color, Abby and her husband first sprayed all of them white. Then, they left the upper wall cabinets white but painted the lower base cabinets a rich, moody color accented with Martha Stewart's brand of brass pulls. Dark kitchen cabinets plague many homeowners. But Christie's cabinets were so dismal that she calls them dark, dark, and more dark. Exacerbating the problem were the black granite countertops. So, the first order of business was to apply 2 coats of primer, a necessary step since the cabinets were so dark. Cabinets remained white, while the kitchen island was painted a light blue shade called Campfire Ash from Behr. Mother of pearl tile for the backsplash adds even more shimmer to this space. Not content to live with her oak cabinets and feeling positively consumed by wood, Cassandra Deckening took decisive measures and painted over the wood. Her plan of attack involved Zinsser Bullseye 123 water-based primer and Benjamin Moore's advance paint in pearl finish. The result is a sleek, sophisticated color scheme that bears no resemblance to the previous country-style red oak. Best of all, she spent considerably less on the project than if she had replaced the cabinets altogether. Aniko's kitchen went through a few transformations before arriving at its current gorgeous look. When Aniko first moved in, the kitchen cabinets were builder's grade red oak. After switching to shaker-style cabinets, she still knew she wanted something different. Time for a two-tone cabinet style, both colors from Home Depot's house brand, Behr. The top cabinets were sprayed in Behr's workhorse color for trim and casing, ultra pure white. The base cabinets received Behr Night Club in a satin finish. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.